Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel if you're new here, and today I'm going to show you how to earn passive income using Binance, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future crypto tips, tutorials, and strategies. Did you know you can earn money every day without trading, without stress, and without spending hours watching the charts? Binance offers multiple ways to earn passive income, and I'm going to break down the top 5 methods you can start using right now in 2025. 1. Binance Earn Flexible Savings. Let's start with something super simple, flexible savings. Think of it like a savings account, but for crypto. How it works. You deposit your crypto, like USDT, BNB, ETH. Binance uses it for liquidity or lending. You get daily interest paid automatically to your wallet. Returns vary depending on the coin, but stablecoins like USDT usually give around 2 to 5% APY, and other coins may offer more. Great for beginners because you can redeem anytime without penalties. 2. Binance Staking. Next up, we have staking. This means locking your coins to support a blockchain network and earn rewards. Popular staking coins on Binance: BNB ADA, Cardano, DOT, Polkadot, Sol, Solana. You can choose locked staking, higher returns, fixed term, or flexible staking, lower returns but you can unstake anytime. Example, staking BNB can give you up to 10% APY depending on the duration and demand. 3. Launchpool. Farm new tokens. Ever wanted to get in early on new crypto projects? With Launchpool, Binance lets you farm brand new tokens by just holding and locking your BNB or FTUSD. You don't need to invest directly. Just stake your BNB in the Launchpool section and watch as you earn free tokens of new coins before they hit the market. This is one of the easiest and most low-risk ways to get exposure to new projects. 4. Binance Dual Investment. Here's a more advanced but powerful option: dual investment. You deposit a token like BTC or USDT and set a target price and date. If the market hits your target, you earn higher returns. If not, you still earn a good interest. Returns can be 10 to 50% or even higher depending on market conditions. Just remember, this one has some market risk, so don't put in money you can't afford to hold long term. Number 5. Liquidity Farming. Now let's talk about liquidity farming, also called yield farming. You provide a pair of tokens like BNB USDT to a liquidity pool, and in return, you get a share of the trading fees and farming rewards. You earn rewards daily, and Binance has its own liquidity swap platform, which is beginner-friendly. There is something called impermanent loss, so be sure to understand the risks. Always do your own research. Not all passive income methods are risk-free. Understand terms, lock-in periods, and APY percentages before you start. Use the Binance mobile app or desktop to track earnings easily. Everything is transparent and updated in real time. So to recap, here are 5 ways to earn passive income with Binance in 2025. Flexible savings, staking, Launchpool, dual investment, liquidity farming. Comment below which method you're going to try first, or if you already earn with Binance, share your experience. If you found this helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto content every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.